Welcome to this video on Azure Storage Explorer. Azure Storage Explorer is a standalone application designed to simplify cloud storage management. It offers a graphical interface to manage files and blobs in your Azure Storage account across Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. Powered by AZ Copy, it enables efficient upload, download, and data transfers between storage accounts. The goal of this video is to narrate the Microsoft Learn content, demystify these concepts, add additional information when needed, making concepts easier to comprehend. You can follow along on the Microsoft Learn page. A triangle with MS in the center shows the page number of the Microsoft Learn unit. This video covers the Learning module, Describe Azure Storage. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to follow along. Some key features: support for multiple storage types. Manage blobs, files, queues, tables, and Azure Data Lake storage entities. Permissions and access control. Configure storage permissions and rules directly from the app. A user-friendly interface. Preview text data, example JSON, PDFs, and images without downloading. How do you get started? 1. You install Azure Storage Explorer. Download the app for your operating system from the official Microsoft website. 2. Sign into Azure. Use your Azure account credentials to connect to subscriptions or individual storage resources. 3. Explore your storage account. Navigate through your storage accounts using the Explorer tab to view containers and blobs. Common tasks. What are some common tasks you can do with Azure Storage Explorer? You can create a blob container. Expand your storage account in the left pane. Right-click Blob Containers, select Create Blob Container, enter the name, and press Enter. You upload the files. Drag and drop files into the blob container, or use the Upload feature in the toolbar. Download files. Select a blob. Right-click. Choose Download to save it locally. And 4. Manage access policies. Configure Shared Access Signatures, SAS, for secure data sharing. And some exam tips for the AZ-900 exam. Understand the purpose of Azure Storage Explorer. It simplifies file management in Azure by providing a graphical interface. Know its backend technology. AZ Copy handles file operations. Familiarize yourself with supported storage type, blob files, queues, tables, and data lake entities. And practice key tasks like creating blob containers, uploading and downloading files, and managing access policy. And in conclusion, Azure Storage Explorer is an essential tool for cloud professionals preparing for the AZ-900 exam. Managing Azure storage resources efficiently across multiple platforms. It's easy, it's intuitive, interface, and robust features make managing Azure storage resources efficiently across multiple platforms. And I'd like to thank you for watching.